Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm an owner of a Google partner company. Me, myself, is a Google Ads, Bing Ads, and Meta Ad certified advertising professional. And in case if you need Google Ads audit setup or management, or in case of any PPC service or even landing page web development service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, move on to the question I have today. And the question is: need suggestion on Google search ads, exclude YouTube. Hello, Ali. I need some suggestion Google search ads. I have my campaign set as Google search with Google display turn on, but still, when someone searches for my keyword on YouTube, my ads show up. Is there a way I can disable my ads to show up on YouTube? Any help is appreciated. Okay, for this, there are two ways through which you can do it. So, first, let me move on to the account. Okay, this is an ordinary account, and if you move onto the campaign settings, once you move onto the campaign setting over here, so see for your networks, and in case if there are Google search partners is enabled, then your ad will also be shown on YouTube. But if you do want to show on other partners but do not want to show on like on YouTube only, then there could be another way as well, and that is through excluding. So let me see, I need display campaign over here, then I can tell you. So let me move on to another account, where I can show you how you can exclude it, but that is possible in the a display specific campaign. But let's say if you are going in a search campaign, let me see the possibility over here, and that is by excluding. Let's say we're going with the search campaign, not because you just told me that the display is not over here. So I may see the audience over here, and I may see you know this over here on how I can exclude it. I can exclude it by my content settings over here. So let me see what can be done over here. Okay, so let's say we going try in audience or in content network. Let me see, that could be impossible, but let's say we're going with this content audience. So I may see my probably my exclusions. I can go in my exclusions, and if I'm going to select over here, I can select a new segment, let's say. So I'm getting with the four options. So no, unfortunately, no, that is not a possibility. There is only one possibility, and that I told you as what you have to do is to go to your campaign settings and look for your networks, and you have to disable the search partners, so you can your ad is not being shown on the YouTube. Usually it's not shown unless until you have checked the display network, but in a very very rare scenario, if your ads are being shown on YouTube and you're noticing it, you can simply exclude it. Also, there might be a possibility that you're also running a retargeting campaign and that is showing, but because as you said that you are not running in a display network, so then you have to remove this search partner, and this can tell you sort it out. I initially thought that there are two ways, but that this is the only workable. So I hope this answers your question, but in case if you need a detailed Google Ads audit setup or management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.